Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your controller to switch inputs on your PlayStation 5 and your TV. So I'm just on my PlayStation home screen right now, and I'm going to switch to a different source on my Amazon Fire TV. Now, all I simply have to do is press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it'll switch automatically over to my PlayStation HDMI. So let's just go back to the home screen on my Amazon Fire TV. Now, let's press the PlayStation button on my controller, and it should switch over to my PlayStation now. So it will do it automatically. Now to turn this on in the settings, what we want to do is go up to the top and select Settings, scroll on down to System, then go to HDMI, and then go to the right and go to Enable HDMI Device Link right here, and make sure this is turned on. And then you have two settings on here: Enable One Touch Play. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PS5. So I have this turned on. Then you can decide if you want power off link on or off. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So if you turn off your TV, your PS5 will automatically enter rest mode. Now sometimes this may cause problems where, like, if you turn off maybe like a sound bar or something else that's connected to your TV, well, it could be turning off your PlayStation just by proxy. So you might want to turn this off if you notice your PlayStation 5 is randomly turning off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next time on YourSixGaming.